Over $100 billion are traded daily on the world's major crypto exchanges. What if you could safely and easily grab a small piece of these trades every day? In fact, that's exactly what a cutting-edge automated platform allows you to do, regardless of your budget, technical level, and without ever having to spend any money up front. Welcome to Full Velocity, your fractional trading gateway to automated crypto profits. Crypto trading is highly lucrative because it runs 24/7, and many people have made millions with it. Full Velocity uses automated trading bots that have been profitably trading since March 2021 in these markets to grab tiny profits on hundreds of trades that add up to big profits. The Full Velocity bots work with multiple exchanges and are already integrated, so you can get started in under 10 minutes, even as a complete beginner. There are different bot types available for different trade sizes, so it is suitable for everyone, regardless of the budget or technological status. And here is the best part. Full Velocity is the first program of its kind where you can use these bots for free and simply pay for a portion of the profits you generate. These bots trade in your exchange accounts directly, so there is virtually no risk. You control everything in your own account. If you have been looking for a way to participate in the crypto markets that is safe, proven, and free to get started with, then Full Velocity is the right place for you. Don't trust your hard-earned money to another company wanting to lock it up for a year or until you double your account. Take control of your own finances and come get your share of this crypto phenomenon. Join Full Velocity today and come be part of the new revolutionary way to grow your cryptocurrency. It's time to move into the future of automated profits with Full Velocity.